Subscribe and hit the bell icon for all my latest videos and updates. Alright my dear friends, so when it comes to winter styling of your home, you have to assure that your home is warm, it looks very cozy, it feels very cozy and welcoming. So I have a few tips for you. Now what you like, the stuff that you really need for winter home decor are such fuzzy blankets, anything which is really soft and warm and fuzzy. So I have this spread, basically it's a spread which I use on my sofa, sometimes I use it on my bed. So you need something like this. Of course, fur and winters make best friends, so I always have use these fur carpets. I have two of these are not too big, so they can be well placed on the floor, they can be placed on a sofa, they can be placed on a bed. I got these from Nirmal's in Kirtinagar, Delhi, but I've also seen these on Amazon, so I'll try and link it for you. You can surely try it out on Amazon as well. And these are really good quality fur. It's not synthetic fur, it's a really good quality fur, so you should have fur. Then because Christmas holiday season is round the corner, Christmas is round the corner, you can have such cute Christmassy stuff. Then of course we need some cushion covers which are in wool. These days a lot of brands, a lot of stores actually have cushion covers which are actually made of wool. So I have these 12 by 20 size cushion covers which are in pink color and they are in wool. And then we have something more. These are very festive. They have beautiful red print going on. They are basically in suede. I got this from Pure Home Living, so that's the brand Pure. I love the stuff from Pure Home, so you can have something like that. Okay, and in order to create some more interesting vibe, you can have quirky prints on the cushion covers. So I have this drink good coffee, read good books. Now this sort of exudes those warm wintry vibes, like a cup of hot coffee and just exuding that coziness. So just think of how you can make the whole living space as if it's saying out something like a story, some theme. So when it's winters, try and mix patterns, try and mix textures like wool with fur, some suede or velvet. Then you can have some prints which scream winter, which scream comfort and coziness. So you have to think of such things. Then I also have these English printed cushion covers. I got these from Sarojini Nagar and I take them out every winter during Christmas season and I use them. I love them. And then I also have this really nice I think it's just a table mat, but then you can surely use it on your table, you can use it in the kitchen, whichever way. So this is also very Christmassy, saying merry and bright. Okay, then I have this another beautiful cushion cover which is in red velvet fabric. This is also from Nirmal, I think, if I am not wrong. Yes, so I'm going to use these colors. So if you see that I am actually mixing a lot of colors here, I'm using a lot of off-whites because I love off-white. It's very, very soothing. Then I'm mixing a lot of red because it's Christmas time, and I'm also using some shades of browns and beige because it really goes well with red and with off-white. So chaliye guys, start karte hain. And yeah, of course I have these Christmas cushions as well. I got these last year, I remember. So a lot of such stuff is available on Amazon. Do check it out. And now let's style up the living space. Excited? Let's go. Well guys, this is my bedroom right now. Now what I always do during winters is I layer up my beds. Okay, so abhi kya tha, like on my bed I just had this plain bed sheet going on, but now it's like really cold, so the bed was also feeling very cold. So what I did is I just spread this pink blanket. The camera is, yeah, now it's doing justice to the color. Now this is the pink. It's actually a bedspread with pillow covers. So I am not using the pillow covers right now. I will be changing all those pillow covers, but this bedspread will be there on the bed, and then I'll be layering some blankets. So I'm going to layer the bed. So abhi ye before hai, so let's do the bed first, and then I'll also be changing a lot of cushion covers. I have a lot of colorful covers going on, so I'm going to change everything now and make it more cohesive, more winter appropriate. So let's start. So friends, I'm also doing Araf's room. So right now this bed sheet that's there. So I'm gonna make it very cozy, and as always his room will always be colorful because that's how I like it. So I'm going to be using this comforter as a bedspread, and then I'll be layering it up with that blanket and a lot of cushions and just make it nice and warm and cozy. And of course there is a room heater in his room, so he sits here while he's doing his classes, so it's going to be really warm and cozy. He can use the bed and not feel cold at all. So let's do this. So friends, this is how Arif's bed is looking now. तो मैंने basically क्या किया, ये comforter है which can be used as a comforter, which can also be used as a bedspread. मैंने इसको बिछाया है so that the bed is cozy. And then this was another comforter जो कि dual sided है. I'll just show you. So this is a print on this side and it also has a print on this side. ये सब मैंने बहुत पहले के लिए हैं, आज से around 2 years पहले, and I'm still using them. I just get them dry cleaned or washed and they're as it is. In fact, the camera is not doing justice to this color. It's a very beautiful sky blue color. It's looking a little, I don't know, purplish, but it's a beautiful sky blue color. So anyhow, इसको भी मैंने बस double fold करके and flip side से, because dark base पे light is looking better and somehow, you know, it's complementing it well. So I've just spread it. So now when Arav wants to sit on the bed, he can just sit on the cozy bed and he can use this blanket. And I've also, as you guys know, I love cushions, as many as possible. So I've just placed these cute cushions and I've got these 2 new cushions also. Just buy randomly. I just buy my stuff very randomly from wherever I find it. So I've just put it up and this is how his bed is looking now. It's looking absolutely cozy and very, very cute. And that light that you see behind the bed is a new addition which I've got you know, from Amazon, and he really likes this light. It looks really nice. So yeah, now let's go to my bedroom and see how it's looking now. Okay, my dear friends, my bedroom is done and it's looking so cute and so pinky pink, like I like it. So again, I did the same thing. I already told you that I had that pink blanket over the bed. Then I laid it up with this another blanket. This is what I take every day, like every night when I sleep. And there is another blanket underneath. So this is what Amit or Arav takes whenever they need. So I just put it here only instead of shoving it in the cupboard. So this is how I've laid the bed. And then I use these matching cushion covers because the theme was pink. So I used a lot of pink in print. Then I used those pink woolen cushion covers. Then I had that brown thingy because I feel brown and pink somehow looks really nice, especially in winters. And then I had this really nice English print cushion cover which I just added on the bed for some quirk. And this is how my bedroom looks like. Everything else is pretty much the same. And then I of course placed this rug, small carpet on the bed. So, you know, I feel very cold, especially on my feet. So when I sit on the bed, I generally put my feet inside underneath this fur thingy in winters. Like that's how I am. Yeah, a little bit crazy, but yeah, that's what I do. And rest everything is pretty much the same. I haven't done much. I just removed the cushion covers from here and just added that little English print cushion cover. Removed everything from here. Now because this sofa print is very different, it doesn't go with Christmas theme, it just doesn't go with pink theme. So I just removed everything. And excuse me for this bag, just added this little thing which says merry and bright. I mean, I know it's not going, but I just added it just for the Christmas vibe. So this is how my bedroom looks right now. Very bright, cute and very fuzzy. And I'm just waiting to just plonk on this bed and enjoy the warmth. Now let me take you guys to the guest bedroom and to the living room. Okay, so now we are in the living area, and once again this is my favorite theme, which is all off-white with a hint of color here and there. And because it's Christmas, I have a lot of hints of red going on. This is the Christmas tree that we did. So yeah, so I'll show you the close-up of the Christmas tree, how we did it. Just placed it on the side of a sofa, and then I have some off-white. So the theme basically is off-white with hint of red. So I've used all off-white cushions, and then whatever reds I had in my collection. These are all old pieces. I just add, like these were the new ones. I think I got these from Anoki, if I'm not wrong. These cushion covers, these crocheted ones from Anoki. Then I had that little Santa from Miniso and all these cushion covers. And then coming onto this sofa, yet again a lot of off-whites with a hint of beige, and again that Christmassy cushion cover, and this throw blanket. I just placed it on the sofa because when we have guests over, it's very cold at this time, so if they want to just take it on them, they can use it while they're sitting on the sofa. And this side again, 2 Christmas cushions and 1 pink, so it was there already, I did not remove it. And coming on to my coffee table, I'm loving my coffee table. I love this rustic vibe, so I placed 2 red glass holders, and this is a real plant, and this is here with me for almost more than a month. It just needs to, just need to change the water and it survives. And then I had this mistletoe which I placed in that red vase, and then some wooden accents. So I just thought, let's just make it look very rustic and yet vibrant, using red and some green. And yeah, on this side I just changed these cushion covers. This is green. They also have trees on them. I think it looks very Christmassy and is going really well with the couches and the lamp in the center. And then I placed that poofy which was earlier in my foyer area, so I placed it here. Also has another carpet, that fur carpet. This is a smaller size. And yep, this is pretty much it for my living room, which is Christmassy, very holiday, very warm and cozy, and I'm loving the vibe. And at night it looks even better because of those fairy lights. So right now there's a lot of natural light coming in, but this is how it is. And now guys, last but not the least, the guest bedroom. I did not do much because it was already very cozy. I had already placed this beautiful bedspread. This is what I got from Jaipur. I did a dedicated video on this bedspread. It's very pretty, very English. And then I had these fuzzy cushions going on, and just spread. You can see the beautiful sunlight that we get in this room. It's the coziest room in this entire house. So just spread this blanket, and I only changed these cushion covers. So I just placed them, which are very Christmassy, holiday, and also going with my vase in the center. So this is the guest bedroom right now. It's very nice, already very warm and cozy, and that's about it. And guys, I also made this change. I had this console in between my living and my dining, so I just placed this beautiful runner which also has a Christmas print on it. And then I had these 2 flowers or flower vase, placed mistletoe, both of them, and just placed my big lilies in that glass vase and on a glass tray. So I think this is also looking so Christmassy and so cute and looking very cohesive with the entire vibe. So yeah, this is another change that I made, and I'm totally loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed this winter home styling video, and you will also incorporate some of these ideas. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon and comment on this video. See you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, ciao ciao.